For our more concrete learners, we're going to use the words step, reach, and roll rather than tick-tock. First, feet together, practicing just taking a step with the opposite foot of the ball hand. Step, and feet back together. You could repeat that 5 times or so. Now add a reach, step and reach, and feet back together. Step with the opposite, reach, and feet back together. Finally, add the roll. Step, reach, and roll. In this clip, you'll see a young girl with her left shoe off. We call this the stinky foot. That gives her a foot to step with, opposite of the ball hand. In this clip, you'll see a pumpkin on the ground. You can put whatever item you like. You could even just put a piece of tape. That's her place to step. So she's stepping with her left foot, ball's in her right hand. She's focused on that item, so she steps with the correct foot and finishes with her roll. Here you'll see the same girl with her feet spread apart, and I'm going to roll a ball between her legs. She can try to stop it, or if it gets through, she just goes and gets it. Now you'll see her take a step with the incorrect foot. She steps with the same side as the ball. Simply just ask her to switch, and she's able to do that. So we practice rolling between legs. Here you'll see about a 4-foot space between the pins. Just an obstacle for her to aim at. That isn't a specific item. Lastly, you'll see a game of 3 people. I start with the ball. I step and try to roll between legs. They try to stop it. The 2 of us then take 3 steps in any direction we like. The new roller puts her feet together, steps, and tries to roll between legs. And try to stop it. The other 2 move to a new spot, usually only 3 steps. I try to roll between legs. And then the 2 people move again. You can see this girl forgot. Feet together, step and roll. Couple reminders, the game can be quite fun. Good luck.